More structure for better teams. If your business is growing but your bottom line isn't, it's probably because your sales have outgrown your team's ability to deliver consistently efficient results. You don't need more people, you need a better team concept first. The only way to increase your profits when you get to this point in a business is to install the team operating system in the business. The 3 key points of emphasis when installing your Team OS are going to be roles, rhythm, and results. So let's talk about roles. Defining clear responsibilities and accountability for each role, not person, role in your company is the first place to start. When that's complete, every single team member knows what they own and what winning at their role looks like. Start with the managers and then work your way down to each role in the company. Be clear on who owns what, make sure there's no overlap, and that relationships between roles are clear. Eliminate any guesswork. Now we need to develop a rhythm. Now that everyone knows what they're responsible for, establish the daily and weekly management rhythms for setting priorities and working the plan. Weekly management and department meetings to establish goals for the week, daily reporting to ensure things are on track, and then weekly individual meetings to help each person on the team to grow and get better. Consistent execution of the plan will follow, which leads to the third point of emphasis, results. Now for results, every team member needs to know what their specific standards of performance are and how they'll be measured and reported. Manage the team with results data, not feelings or opinions. Create department level scorecards and make sure each team member understands how they contribute to the team's expected results. Figure out what matters most, then track, measure, and report on it. Make sure to look at both activity indicators like calls made or clients visited and performance indicators like sales closed, units shipped. If it's not measured, then it will not be considered important by your team. And remember, people tend to behave the way they're measured and rewarded. Now, if you'd like to know how the ActionCOACH Business Operating System, ABOS, can help you build your team operating system so that your business grows profitably without you having to work 80 hours a week, go ahead and click on the link in the description to schedule a quick 15-20 minute chat with me to learn how to get started.